Well, it is moving again. I really need to start editing these videos. If any of you guys have any, know of any good editing software that's, easy to get into, drop it down in the comments, because I have no idea. I'm not the sort of person who knows how to do that. This will probably be the last video of this year. I assume so, unless another train comes. Well, if it is, thanks for watching. This has been an awesome year. The channel's grown so much. Thanks so much for all the support. Oh. It's cool, this train's being shoved by a gp38 and an sd40-2. Don't see many of those around, especially ones that are not rebuilds. There's a center beam, which is always neat to see. Here it is, sd40-2. Well, it's been a wonderful year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in 2024. Bye.